Hello friends, my name is Sincerity Syiemlieh from Department of Physics from Assam Don Bosco University, and the topic that I will be doing is conductor and insulator. Now we'll look first at conductors. Materials which allows the electric current or heat to pass through it are called conductors. The electrons in a conductor move freely from atom to atom when the potential difference is applied across them. The property of conductors that allow to pass electricity is known as conductivity. It is denoted by sigma. The conductivity of the conductor depends on the number of free electrons in the outermost shell of the orbit. The conductivity of the material is directly proportional to the number of free electrons. The valence band and conductance band of a conductor are overlapped with each other. Hence, there is no forbidden energy gap. The resistance of the conductor is very low, due to which the charges move freely from place to place when the voltage is applied across them. So examples of conductors are copper, aluminum, silver, mercury, to name a few. So what are insulators? Materials which do not allow the electric current or heat to pass through it are called insulators. The covalent bond between the atoms of an insulator is very strong, hence the electrons or charges do not move freely. The property of insulator that restricts electricity to pass through it is known as resistivity, and it is denoted by ρ. The resistivity of the insulator is very high. The forbidden gap between the valence band and the conduction band of an insulator is very large. Hence, the electrons require large energy for moving from valence band to conduction band. The insulator is mainly used for separating the conductor and for supporting the electrical equipments. So examples of insulators are paper, wood, diamond, glass, to name a few. So now we'll look at the difference between conductors and insulators. So in conductors, it allows electric current to pass through it easily, whereas in insulators does not allow electric current to pass through it. In conductors, it stores energy, but insulators do not store energy. In conductors, thermal conductivity is high, whereas in insulator, thermal conductivity is low. In conductors, covalent bond is weak, whereas in insulators, covalent bond is strong. Conductors have high conductivity, whereas insulators have low conductivity. In conductors, electrons can move freely, whereas in insulators, electrons do not move freely. Conductors have no forbidden gap, whereas in insulators, it has large forbidden gap. So conductors are used for making electrical wires, and insulators are used for supporting electrical equipments, etc. So now we will check how to know whether it is a conductor or insulator. We take a battery and a bulb and we connect it with copper wire, and hence we will see that the bulb will glow. Hence this shows that copper wire is a conductor, as we can see here in figure 1. So now we'll look at figure 2, and we will replace the copper wire by the thread. So we take the thread and connect from the battery to the bulb, and we can see that the bulb does not glow. Hence, thread is an insulator. Thank you.